Alright, here we go. Continuation on taking out the timing chain. So what I've been getting at here now is I'm taking out these 3 bolts here for the timing chain guide. And then I'll be taking out the 2 bolts for the tensioner. And then after that, then I'm actually able to take off the timing chain itself. And then from there on, I'm going to start taking off these bolts here by holding onto the camshafts themselves in order to be able to pry these things out and be able to take off the secondary timing chain sprockets together. And I guess to say also there's like a guide pinhole on each of these here. There's one up here and there's one on the bottom on the other one. So those ones I gotta push in order for them to deactivate so I can actually take this whole assembly out itself as well.